Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder. After successfully creating your AAB Android app, follow these steps to publish your Android app to the Google Play Store.
If you don't have an app on the store, click Create Apps and provide the details. Select Create Apps and follow the to-do list. Since I already have an app, I'm only uploading an update. Click Publish Release. Click Edit Release. Upload AAB file. It's in your project at relative path. Build app outputs bundle release app release.aab. Update Release Notes. Click Next. Resolve any issues and warnings. Click Save. Go to Visit the dashboard. Select Submit Changes for review. Click Overview Page tab and check the results. Google's review usually takes 1-2 hours.
That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel to get new videos for free. Thank you.